Welcome to this short introduction to logs. Before we go on to the sums, this is the definition of a log. If b is a to the power of x, then x must be the log of a to b. Okay, so the bases are the a's, so it's log base a of b. Let's start with an easy example. So 2 to the x is equal to 32. So we know 2 to the x is the same as 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so because the bases are the same, the exponents must be the same. Now let's look at this example. 2 to the x is 47. Now 47 is a prime number, so we cannot even find 2 as a factor. So this is where we will use logs. Now let's take a step to grade 10 maths. What we would say is 47 lies between 32 and 64. And 32 is 2 to the 5. 64 is 2 to the 6. So therefore we can find that x lies between 5 and 6. And then we can guess a number, let's say 5.5, and we can refine the answer till we get very close. The problem is x in this case is an irrational number, so we'll never get the exact number. So let's use logs. X is log base of 2, the base is at the bottom, of 47. And this is a new calculation on the calculator. I'm going to show it up close. You'll say log base 2, press right, of 47 is equal to 5,5545, and we'll round 5, 5. Okay. So now we're going to do a practical example or two. Now, first example, if you invest 10,000 Rand, let's make it 100,000, and we'll invest 100,000, and it grows to 1,000,000, and the interest rate is, let's say, 10% compounded annually. And we want to figure out how many years we take for 100,000 to grow to 1,000,000 at 10% per annum. So first of all, we'll divide by 100,000 both sides, and 100,000 both sides, which leaves us 10 is equal to 1,10 to the power of n. So our base is 1,1. So we can say n is equal to log base 1,1 of 10, which is log base 1,1 of 10, and that gives us 21,16 years. Okay, so now we're going to do a final example to do with our coronavirus or COVID-19. So we roughly find that the population infected grows by about 30% each day at the start. So let's say we have 7 people infected at the start, and it grows at 30%, and we're going to use D for days, and we want to know how long will it take for 7 infected people to grow to 200,000. infected people. Okay, so we'll divide by 7 because we want that on its own. So 200,000 over 7 is 1,3 to the power of D. So our D is then log base 1,3 of 200,000 over 7. So we're going to say log base 1,3 of 200,000 over 7, which gives us 39,11 days. So from 7 infected people to 200,000 in just over 5.5 or so weeks. Thank you.